Welcome to my YouTube channel. I assure you that you have made a right choice by investing your time in this video. Welcome to this third video of this series where we are going to do some housekeeping. That is managing reporting structure and department structure of AML safety department. The department structure depends upon the nature of organization, down from the top, regulatory requirements, and so on. In any case, you may want to follow following principle while setting up your department structure. In his book, E-Myth, Michael E. Gerber explains that there are three types of personality. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur bring new ideas or innovation. Manager. Manager aims to maintain order in the organization, develops planning, and establishes routine. Technician loves to do his or her job than anything else. Michael says that if all these personalities are included in single person, it will create a conflict in such a way that person will not able to accomplish any task. This is the reason why many startups fail, because owner tries to do every task himself instead of delegating some of his tasks to other individuals. You should try to implement same philosophy while creating your department structure. Your department structure should be created in such a way that the department head should act as an entrepreneur. He or she should be able to bring new ideas, innovation to ensure that AML safety job is done efficiently. It may be anything like meeting with vendor for purchasing new AML safety software, identifying new control measures to strengthen your AML system, doing gap analysis in existing policy, providing training to other employees. If the head is always occupied with day-to-day tasks, then he or she will not be able to focus on these key areas. The manager role should be delegated to second line. Managers should be able to monitor the activities of other staff in such a way that he ensures that every staff performs his or her activity in timely and accurate manner. He should be able to guide them. He should be able to guide them if they need any help or reprimand them if they are poor performer. He should be able to manage department like clockwork, bringing consistent result. The chemistry between head and second line should be such that any new ideas that head brings should be implemented by second line in a smooth way. There should not be any confusion between them. The third role is of technician, who are individuals who are given a specific task. The task should be divided in such a way that everybody is clear of what is expected out of them. This will also create transparency during performance evaluation, since every staff knows what are the benchmark against which their performance will be evaluated. The one way to accomplish this is to design job responsibility in such a way that it will list all the activities to be performed by the staffs along with key performance indicators that every staff need to achieve to successfully complete their tasks. If they fail to meet any of these KPI, it means that staff is not performing. As a result, your department performance is not up to mark, which may have a negative impact on your organization. Then after, you can decide whether to train, motivate, in worst scenario, terminate that staff. So in order to implement this, you need to establish the fact that every job responsibility that you assign to your staff is a performance agreement between you and your staff. It is a contract binding to both parties. Your staff will agree to complete all the tasks mentioned in that agreement, and you will reward him or her with good performance appraisal that will provide him or her with future job incentives. Although this looks too formal, but it works. Staff will immediately start to take his or her job more seriously because they are now clear about their scope of activities and also with the reward and punishment associated with it. This ends third video in this AML safety process simplified series. In the next video, we'll talk about developing AML safety training. See you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel to help us grow.